Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
In order to change the shock absorber, you must now separate it from the spring. There are several tools for compressing a shock absorber spring. You can find a description of the tool used in the video, which we think is the most adapted to the operation. On the workbench, prepare the tools by choosing the flasks that are adapted to the diameter on the spring of your shock absorber. Careful! Pay attention as you compress the spring. This is not without risk and should be undertaken paying very careful attention. Block the tool in a vise. This will make it easier to use. Install the shock absorber on the tool, then tighten the mobile flange against the spring, controlling its position carefully. Check that they're properly held by the locking studs, then slowly compress the spring using the socket wrench and the appropriate socket. Once the shock absorber is free in the spring, with an 80mm offset wrench and a 9mm spanner, you can loosen the shock absorber bowl, then remove it. Remove the shock absorber spring. And prepare the new part. Assemble the new compression stop and replace the protective sleeve in the spring. Then grease the threading on the shock absorber and reassemble in the spring. Pay careful attention to position the base of the spring by pushing on the shock absorber flange. Place the new struts in place and screw the new lug nut. You can tighten it, paying careful attention that it is firmly fixed. Unscrew the spring compression tool carefully, paying attention to the position of the spring on the shock absorber support flange. Preparation of the new part has now been completed.